The children, myself Tasneem Khambati. Now today we are going to learn Standard 3rd Maths NCERT chapter number 1 where to look from part 2. I have divided this chapter into two parts, children. In the first video we have seen the part 1 and now in this video we will see part 2. So now today we will see the story of Tit for Tat. One day Amina met a painter. So this is the story of Amina and painter. See in this picture, this girl is standing is Amina and next to her standing is the painter. So Amina said to the painter that can you make my picture? So the painter said yes, of course I can make your picture, but I will charge 200 rupees. Okay, so Amina said okay, I will give you 200 rupees. So after a while a painter showed the picture to Amina. But you can see, children, the painter painted only the half picture. You can see here, this is only the half of the picture. So Amina said, why this is only the half picture? So you know what did the painter said? Yes, the painter said the other half is exactly the same. When you will put the mirror, now we will put the mirror on the other half side, your picture will be complete. Okay? So Amina also paid a trick on the painter. He gave only 100 rupees note to the painter. So the painter said, I told you to give me 200 rupees, right? So what did the Amina said? You know that the other half is exactly the same. You just put a mirror next to the 100 rupee note and then you will get the full money. So Amina also played a trick on the painter. In the same way, children, you can also try this. You can make any picture on half side of the paper and then put a mirror on the other half side, then you will get complete picture. So many things, but he has drawn only the half of the picture. So now you have to complete this picture and find out what these things are. Okay, you can also try by putting a mirror on the other half of the picture and then you can see the complete picture, or other you can draw same on the other side and then you can find out what things are this. Okay, we will look this in the video. Now see, children, here it is given in the book like that. I have drawn here in the paper half of the picture I have drawn here. Now we will draw another half like this way. See, like this we will draw another half of the picture and then we will complete the whole picture. Same way we will draw the star. See, like this we will complete the picture by drawing same way on both the sides. See, we have completed the star like this. Okay, now see these pictures. Flag is given, caterpillar is given and cup is given. Now we have to make it similar half and we have to see that these pictures if we divide these pictures it is equal or not. So we will divide this picture. See, if we will divide this picture by using dotted line, this cup, but the cup is not equal because the handle of the cup is this side and here there is no handle, so it is not equal. Okay, same way if we divide this caterpillar like this, then the face of the caterpillar will be here and here there is no face, so it is not equal. In the same way, if we divide the flag like this by using dotted line, we have the pole here of the flag, but here there is no pole, so the pictures are unequal, so this is also not equal. Look here, children, some pictures are given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Okay, we have to see that they are divided equally or not. Now see the first picture, triangle. Here triangle is given and the triangle is divided into two equal halves. When you put the mirror on the other half of the triangle, then the picture will look the same, so it is divided equally. Yes, it is equal. See the second one, second also is divided equally, both the parts look similar, so it is equal. Third one is also triangle, but this is not equal. See, the upper part is small and the lower part is big, so this is not equal. Next is square. Square is not divided equally. Okay, both the parts are different. When you will put the mirror on the half side, you will not get the complete picture. Both the parts will look different, so it is not equal. Now see the fifth picture, triangle. This triangle is also divided equally. Both the parts are similar, so it is equal. Now look this tree. Tree is not divided equally. Means on the upper part one circle is there, on the downside the circle is not there. So it is unequal, not divided equally. B. B is divided equally. If you will put the mirror on the half B, you will get the same picture in the mirror half. So it is equal. Okay. T. T is also divided equally. When you will put the mirror on the half picture, the T will look complete. So it is equal. Now this one. This is not divided equally. See, the upper portion is small and the lower portion is big. So it is not equal. Same way here also. The upper portion is big and the lower portion is small. So both the pictures are unequal. It is not divided equally. Now here the heart shape. Heart shape is divided equally. When you will put the mirror on the half side, you will get the picture of the full heart. So it is divided equally. M. M is also divided equally. Both the parts are same. So it is divided equally. Yes, it is equal. Again the triangle. This triangle is also divided equally. Both the parts are same. So it is equal. This is also equal. See, both the parts are divided equally. Both the parts are same. So it is equal. Kite shape. The upper part is big and the lower part is small. So it is not equal. And here the rectangle. Rectangle is divided equally. Okay, so both the parts are equal. So it is also equal. Children, some pictures are given below. You have to draw the dotted line and you have to divide these pictures into two similar halves. So this is your homework, children. Can you guess these letters from their halves? Here in this exercise only the half of the letters are given. You have to find out which letters are this. So we will do the first one. See, first one is, if we will draw the same like this on the other half side, which letter we will get? This is A letter. Yes. Then see the next one. If we will draw similar on the upper side, we will get C. This letter is C. Now see this letter. If you will put the mirror on the half side, or you can draw also. So which letter you will get? You will get H. Then if you will draw the other side, other half, you will get U. This letter is U. If you will draw the upper side like this, we will get B. This letter is B. And the last letter is X. Okay. Now see in the next exercise. Using such letters, we can also make words which have similar halves. Okay. Now here also half of the letters are given. You have to make the full letters and then you have to guess the words. We will see this in the video. Please, we have to complete the letters. Half of the letters are given here. Now we will complete the other half letters. First one is, we will complete the other half. It becomes A. The letter is A. This is C. This is H. This is U. This is B. And last is X. Okay. Completing the letters. All the letters are completed and it became like this. A, C, H, U, B and X. Here the half of the letters are given. Now after completing the other half, we have to guess these words. So which letter is this? Come on, see. First we will draw like this. This is H, this is O and this is W. So it became how. Now here next is W. Now this is A and this is X. So it is Vex. Now we will complete the next half. C, O, O, K, E, D. So it became cooked. And last is D, I, C, E. So it became die. So all this was by completing the other half, it became these words. This is the activity of making a mask. You can also try this at your home. What you have to do in this is, just take a piece of paper. Fold it from the middle properly. On one side, draw the figure. Here they have drawn the figure of a cat, face of the cat. You can also draw the figure face of your choice. Then cut the outline of the face using a pair of scissors. Then unfold the paper. You can see the face of the cat. Okay, full face of the cat. Then draw the eyes, nose, mouth and then color it. Then at last tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. Okay children, you see here you can draw the shapes given below. You can also use the shapes given below. And also the steps are given here. You can follow it and you can make a mask. That's all for today children. Bye bye.